Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can invite your friends to a game on Roblox. So I'm going to just open up a game real quick. I'll just select this one and I'm just going to press play. Now to invite your friends, you could do this. You're going to go to the settings tab and select the Roblox image here. Go to invite friends and select your friends. It can be, well, they can be online or offline. Then you're going to select invite. You can also copy the link here and they'll be able to join your game. And that is how you can invite your friends to play with you on Roblox. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!